Get out.
Just like that, this nigga's career is over. Just like that. That's all it took. That's all it took. A robbery. This is what he was big. This is what he talked about all the time. Niggas never gonna get me. Niggas can't get me. You was wrong about that, nigga. You got in Brooklyn, too. I'm gonna tell you what happened. The nigga got that European tour money, and he ain't paid them niggas off. I'm from that area. I know the niggas he run around with. I knew that shit was only a matter of time. Cornball, niggas like that, look like that, don't live in my hood. He was paying them niggas off. And he didn't get them niggas their money, and they got him. This nigga got away in Chicago, got away in L.A., got away in Houston, and got in the very place that he said he the king of, Brooklyn. 50 Cent, this shit is your fault. You had this nigga thinking he was you. And look. God damn it. He's gone. That's it. His career's over. He can't recover from this.
I told, see? Now a nigga had to hit you. That nigga, who the fuck then pistol whipped you like that? See what happened when you on the gram and you talking that shit like you Gucci talking about some, yeah. I done told niggas, fuck they dead peoples. I done told niggas, go suck. I told everybody suck my dick. I done sold blood, suck my dick. I done sold Crip, suck my dick. Like all that gangster shit. Now look at you. Look at you now. Look at you now. It's never too late. It's never too late. Your shit bruised like, you actually ugly when you're in the hospital bed. You're like, I only would have felt bad if you wasn't talking shit. But you talk shit.
Second post on the Tekashi robbery. You know, I've been seeing a lot of reliable news sources posting it up. But, you know, if you get something, your job is to report on it, just like I did. This shit could be a hoax. This could be a troll, one of Tekashi's trolling tactics. He is the king of that shit. He is the king of that. I can't downplay his trolling techniques, you know, because he had niggas thinking he was in Chicago when further video revealed he was there for 30 seconds. I think that whole LA fight was staged. So this might be another one of his trolling tactics. The kid is smart. He is that. And he also got a show tonight in Orlando. And I'm in Orlando. And I ain't seen niggas posting shit about it. This probably was his way to cancel again. And another way to get out his new single today. But we'll see. We'll see. But this shit might be fake. So far it looked real, but it might be fake. Stay tuned.
Oh, you ain't had the blicky with the sticky eye, with the blicky eye. You a killer too. What happened to all that cool shit? Ah, they just taste that motherfucking rainbow, didn't they? You like lump skill skin, boy. Your motherfucking tats in 3D right now. Your shit coming through your forehead. That shit like an extra body coming through your head. Nigga, your forehead look fucking pregnant. Yeah, boy. Knock the Skittles out your ass. Motherfucker knocked the flavors out his ass. That nigga had lime in his, that nigga had lime on the streets, lemon in his lip. They fucked your ass up, huh? 6ix9ine this and 6ix9ine that. Where was the blicky with the sticky eye? That's all I want to know. Where the whole squad of killers? They some killers too. Where the fuck was they at? Where the hell was Treyway? Man, they did that nigga dirt day. They did Treyway dirt day. Got your little ass, huh? Don't I told you, man, shit can happen. You're not famous for nothing.